हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे एनडीए अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 92 के क्वेश्चंस और उसके आंसर्स। ये वीडियो सिर्फ की रिवीजन के लिए है। डिटेल वीडियो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो के लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे, वहाँ से आप डिटेल वीडियो देख सकते हैं। एनडीए अभ्यास के सारे मॉक टेस्ट के पीडीएफ अवेलेबल है, उसके लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए व्हाट्सएप नंबर से कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं। यहाँ हम सबसे पहले डिस्कस करेंगे बायो, देन केमिस्ट्री, उसके बाद फिजिक्स। अगर इस वीडियो क्वालिटी आपको लो लगे तो आप वीडियो डर एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करके वीएलसी मीडिया प्लेयर से चलाएंगे, आपको फुल स्क्रीन में हाई क्वालिटी में चलेगा। ओके, तो क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट यहाँ बायो का है। मैच द कॉलम 1, 2 एंड 3 एंड चूज द करेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन फ्रॉम द ऑप्शन गिवन रिगार्डिंग कॉकरोच। ओके, तो आंसर यहाँ करेक्ट होगा बी। ए का एल और डब्ल्यू यानी टेस्टिस जो होते हैं वो फोर्थ और सिक्स सेगमेंट में होते हैं, और कॉलम थर्ड में वन पेयर होते हैं। बी ओवरिज, ओवरेज का हुआ के यानी कि सेकेंड टू सिक्स सेगमेंट, और इसका जो नंबर है वो एक्स होगा यानी एट ओवरियोल्स। सी यहाँ अस्पर्मेथिका है, अस्पर्मेथिका का एन होगा यानी सिक्स सेगमेंट में होगा, और वाई यानी बाइलोब्ड होंगे। डी मशरूम, मशरूम का होगा एम यानी सिक्स टू सेवन सेगमेंट, और यहाँ पे डी का एम सिक्स सेवन सेगमेंट, और जेड उसका होगा सिंगल नंबर। ओके, the male reproductive system in cockroach consists of pair of testes, a pair of vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, seminal vesicle, mushroom glands, and external genitalia. Testes are present at fourth to sixth segment, while the mushroom gland is present in sixth to seventh segments. The female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovaries, a pair of oviducts, a common oviduct that is vagina, genital chamber, and external genitalia. The genital chamber shows the opening of spermatheca, which is a storehouse of sperms. Ovaries extend from second to sixth segment and show many tubules known as ovarioles. Spermatheca is in the sixth segment. Recognize the figure and find out the correct matching. ओके, तो यहाँ पे ए जो है वो मोरूला है और बी ब्लास्टोसिस्ट। A droplet infection is, answer will be B, pneumonia. Find the odd one, answer will be B, C fan. C fan is Gorgonia, it belongs to phylum Centrata. Okay, यहाँ fill in the blanks है, तो fill कर लेते हैं और read कर लेते हैं. The somatic neural system relays impulses from the CNS to skeletal muscles. Diseases caused by undersecretion of adrenal cortex is, answer will be D, Addison's disease. Fatigue is mostly associated with, answer will be D, all of these. Repeated stimulation of muscles, excessive workload on muscles, or anaerobic respiration in muscles. Absor- Abortions are much riskier, answer will be C, at second trimester. Find the odd one out, answer will be D, upper limb of man and four limb of cheetah. ये जो है ऑड है, बाकी ए बी सी जो है वो करेक्ट हैं. eyes of octopus and mammals, flippers of penguin and dolphins, sweet potato and potato. Organisms with similar structures but different functions are homologous organs, while organisms with similar functions but different structures are analogous organs. Flowers are always wind pollinated in the family. Answer will be D, Poaceae, grass family. The plants growing in dark show yellowing in leaves and elongated internodes. This condition is called as, answer will be A, isolation. Which of the following is not one of the prime health risks associated with greater UV radiation through the atmosphere due to depletion of stratospheric ozone? Answer will be C, increased liver cancer. Ornamentals belonging to family Liliaceae are, answer will be B, Gloriosa and Tulip. Identify A, B, and C in the given reaction of lactic acid fermentation and select the correct option. Pyruvic acid plus A, lactate dehydrogenase FMM Zn2 plus B plus C। तो यहाँ पे A जो होगा यहाँ पे वो NADH होगा, B यहाँ पे लैक्टिक एसिड और C NAD प्लस होगा। ओके, read the following statements regarding methanogens and select the correct option. First, they are included in the group Archaebacteria. They are responsible for the production of biogas in gobar gas plants. Third, they live in hot sulfur springs. And four, they are strictly anaerobic. Answer will be B. Statement 1, 2 and 4 are correct and statement 3 is incorrect. Match the column 1 and 2 and choose the correct combination from the options given. Okay. A क्लोरोफाइसी, बी फियोफाइसी और सी है रोडोफाइसी। ए का थर्ड होगा यानी क्लोरोफाइसी का क्लोरोफिल ए एंड बी, फियोफाइसी का फर्स्ट यानी क्लोरोफिल ए सी एंड फिकोजाइंथीन, और सी का रोडोफाइसी का होगा सेकेंड यानी क्लोरोफिल ए डी एंड फाइको इरिथ्रीन। Phagocytosis may be characterized by which of the following statements? Answer will be D. It involves the uptake of cellular debris in large endocyte vesicles. Identify correctly matched pair. Answer will be A. Zygotine pairing of homologous chromosomes. The perigynous ovary will be seen in. Answer will be A. Peach. Plum rose peach. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. First bulliform cell, second guard cell, third lenticels और fourth है subsidiary cell। तो फर्स्ट bulliform cell का होगा थर्ड यानी rolling in and out of leaves। सेकेंड का वन यानी guard cell का होगा regulate the opening and closing of stomata। थर्ड का होगा सेकेंड यानी lenticels का एरिएटिंग पोर्स इन द बार्क ऑफ द प्लांट, और फोर सब्सिडरी सेल का ही फोर ही होगा यानी एसेसरी सेल्स। Exudation and guttation are due to. Answer will be B. Root pressure. Soybean transport ureates from root nodules to various plant parts as fixed nitrogen, which answer will be C. Carries high nitrogen carbon ratio. Choose the correct one for photorespiration that occurs in C3 plants. Answer will be A. Photorespiration is common in plants having high CO2 compensation points. Okay. Two organisms with different correlated morphological characters belongs to. Answer will be D. Two taxonomic species. Electron transport ETS is located in mitochondrial. Answer C. Inner membrane. Two leaves A and B are of different sizes but shows absolute increase in area in the unit time to give leaves A1 and B1. Find out the absolute growth and relative growth rate of both the leaves. Answer will be D. Absolute growth of A equal to 5 centimeter square. Absolute growth of B 5 centimeter square. Relative growth rate of A 100% और relative growth rate of B जो है वो 10% होगा। Which of the following is not a process of asexual reproduction? Answer will be B. Syngamy. Uh, protandry and protogyny helps in. Answer will be C. Cross fertilization. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. Autopolyploidy, ट्राइजोमी, एलो पोलीप्लोइडी और नलीजोमी। पी का सेकेंड यानी ऑटो पोलीप्लोइडी का होगा सेकेंड यानी ए ए ए ए, डबल ए। क्यू का वन यानी ट्राइजोमी का 2n+1। आर का थर्ड यानी एलो पॉलीप्लोइडी का होगा थर्ड यानी डबल ए डबल कैपिटल बी। एस का फोर यानी नलीजोमी का होगा 2n-2। ओके। Enzyme required for transcribing genetic information of DNA into RNA is. Answer will be DNA dependent RNA polymerase. Match the column 1 and 2 and choose the correct combination from the options given. Okay. तो ब्रेसिका, कॉलीफ्लावर, चिल्ली और ओखरा। तो ए का फोर यानी ब्रेसिका का होगा पूसा स्वर्णिम। बी यानी कॉलीफ्लावर का होगा थ्री यानी पूषा शुभ्रा। सी का सेकेंड चिल्ली का पूषा सदाबहार। और डी का वन यानी ओकरा का पूषा श्वानी। यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स तो फिल करके रीड कर लेंगे। द टोड स्टूल्स इज अ नॉन एडिबल फंगस। यहाँ पे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो फिल करके रीड कर लेंगे। द नेटेलिटी मीन्स द नंबर ऑफ बर्ड्स पर थाउजेंड इन अ पर्टिकुलर एरिया फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम। यहाँ पे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो फिल करके रीड कर लेंगे। XO टाइप ऑफ सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन एंड XY टाइप ऑफ सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ। आंसर विल बी ए मेल हेट्रोगैमिटी। Consider the following statements A to D and select the option which correctly fills the blanks. ये यहाँ पे है a group of species belonging to a trophic level that exploits a common resource base in similar fashion is known as। तो यहाँ पे आंसर होगा B। A group of species belonging to a trophic levels of that exploits a common resources base in similar fashion is known as। आंसर विल बी बी। फर्स्ट का यहाँ पे गिल्ड होगा GUILD गिल्ड। बी यहाँ पे है सेकेंड रिड्यूसेस यानी कि एनएरोबिक कंडीशन रिड्यूसेस डिकम्पोजिशन एंड काउजेज द पाइलिंग ऑफ डेट्राइटस। सी यहाँ पे है द ओशियन प्रोडक्टिविटी इज लिमिटेड बाय लाइट एंड नाइट्रोजन। थर्ड एंड फोर होगा। और डी यहाँ पे है द लार्जेस्ट रिजर्वायर ऑफ कैल्शियम इज रॉक्स। 5। GUILD guild refers to the group of species in a trophic level using the same resource in a similar manner. Decomposition is an oxygen consuming process. Clones are, answer will be C, morphologically as well as genetically alike. Fill in the blanks. Okay. तो यहाँ कह रहा है मोर देन ए, मोर देन 70% of all the species recorded are animals, while plants including algae, fungi, bryophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperm comprise no more than 22% of the total. Second, among animals, insects making up more than 70% of the total. थर्ड यहाँ पे है आउट ऑफ एवरी 70 एनिमल्स ऑन दिस प्लानट 49 आर इंसेक्ट्स। और फोर यहाँ पे कह रहा है द नंबर ऑफ फंजाई स्पीसीज इन द वर्ल्ड इज मोर देन ऑल द वर्टिब्रेट स्पीसीज combined. Okay. All the given statements are true except answer will be C. Taylor proved semi-conservative replication of DNA by working on E. coli bacteria। तो ये हमारा गलत है। बाकी A, B, D और जो है सही है। टेलर जो है VC ऑफ हवा पे एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था उन्होंने। A, B, D सही है। DNA is more stable than RNA because DNA contains 5-methyl uracil and deoxyribose. DNA replication is semi-conservative, bidirectional and semi-discontinuous। और Klenau fragment is a part of DNA polymerase. Green muffler is specific for. Answer will be B. Sound insulation. Select the correct sequence of events with respect to fungal sexual cycle. Answer will be C. Plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis. In Funaria, meiosis occurs in. Answer will be C. Spore mother cells. The vacuole in the plant cell contains. Answer will be D. Cell sap. Since ITM condition can be observed in. Answer will be A. Liquid endosperm of coconut. Monocot plants are characterized by the presence of how many of the following characters: scutellum, reticulate venation, fibrous roots, stilled roots, pulvinous, leaf base, isobilateral leaves. Answer will be B. 3. Monocot plants are a group of angiosperms that have a single cotyledon in their seed. These plants have a fibrous root system adventitious which develop from the plumule. The leaves have parallel venation with stomata on both surface and vascular bundles are both small and large. The leaves are isobilateral as both surfaces appear similar. The cotyledon of monocots are generally referred to as scutellum as they are thin and sealed shape. यहाँ फिर इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो फिर रीड कर लेंगे. Cells of parenchyma tissue are living, so angular wall thicknings and provide mechanical support. Apical dominance is caused by. Answer will be D. Oxygen in shoot tip. In cereal grain, the single cotyledon of an embryo is represented by the. Answer will be D. Scutellum. Select the wrong statement regarding carbon cycle. Answer will be D. The recycling of carbon is a self-regulating feedback system. ये हमारा गलत है. बाकी A, B और C जो है करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. Oceanic water can retain up to 50 times the CO2 levels in the air. The only major reservoir of carbon in the biosphere is the lake or volcanic eruptions, hot springs, burning of fossil fuel, and weathering add carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Which is the correct match? Answer will be B. Cry first AC cotton bollworm. The difference between oogenesis and spermatogenesis is. Answer will be C. The cytoplasmic division is unequal in oogenesis and equal in spermatogenesis. The pathogen epidermophyton responsible for ringworm disease in humans belongs to the same kingdom of organism as that of. Answer will be C. Mucor, a mold. Which of the following hormones has no control over gluconeogenesis? Answer will be C. Vasopressin. Ontogeny recapitulates phylogeny. Is the statement related to? Answer will be D. Embryology. यहाँ fill in the blanks तो fill करके read कर लेंगे. Approximately 900 restriction enzymes have been isolated from over 230 strains of bacteria. The first clinical gene therapy was given for treating. Answer will be D. Adenosine deaminase deficiency. Which of the following organisms do not show male heterogamity? Answer will be A. Hens. In IUCN Red List 2004, extinction of 784 species includes. Answer will be C. 338 vertebrates, 359 invertebrates, and 87 plants. यहाँ फिर इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो फिर रीड कर लेंगे. द फाइव किंगडम सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन वाज proposed बाय Whittaker in the year 1969. All of the following processes occur in the endomembrane system except. Answer will be A. Aerobic respiration. After fertilization in the embryo sac, which will grow faster? Answer will be B. Endosperm. यहाँ फिर ब्लैंक्स तो फिर रीड कर लेंगे. The disease sickle cell anemia is caused by the substitution of glutamic acid by valine at the sixth position of beta globin chain of hemoglobin molecule. Identify the sequence of mRNA from the given sequence of coding strand of DNA. 5-TSC GTA G3-. Answer will be D. 5-USC GUA G3-. Find the find out the pairs which are correctly matched. Cyanobacteria, mycorrhiza, Bacillus thuringiensis और chlorella. ओके, तो सी का सी विथ वन होगा, यानी बैसिलस thuringiensis यहाँ पे बायो पेस्टिसाइड्स होंगे. ओके, साइनोबैक्टीरिया बायो फर्टिलाइजर में आ जाएंगे. माइकोराइजा माइकोराइजा यहाँ पे बायो फर्टिलाइजर में आएंगे. बैसिलस thuringiensis बायो पेस्टिसाइड में. साइनोबैक्टीरिया आएंगे यहाँ पे सॉल्युलाइजेशन ऑफ फॉस्फेट में. और क्लोरेला यहाँ पे सिंगल सेल प्रोटीन में आ सकते हैं. ओके, एक ही मैच करना है तो सी विथ वन होगा. Consider the following statements. A. Temperature is the most ecologically relevant environmental factor. B. Temperature increases progressively from the equator towards the poles and from plains to the mountain tops. C. Diversity is not an important characteristic of living organisms. और D है यहाँ पे, mango trees do not and cannot grow in temperate countries like Canada and Germany. Of the above statements, वन और जो डी है वो सही है. ए और डी करेक्ट हैं. ओके, बी और सी यहाँ पे गलत होगा. What is the probability of production of homozygous tall offsprings in a cross between two heterozygous tall pea plants? Answer will be C, 75%. The rate of conversion of light energy into the chemical energy of organic molecules in an ecosystem is called. Answer will be A, gross primary productivity. यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो फिल रीड कर लेंगे. एंटेमेवा हिस्टोलाइटिका is a parasite of large intestine of human beings and causes the disease amoebic dysentery. Mendel formulated the law of purity of gametes on the basis of. Answer will be A, monohybrid cross. Which of the following, which of the below mentioned regions exhibit less seasonal variations? Answer will be A, tropics. Observe the following matches. First, Datura actinomorphic flower, Cana zygomorphic flower. Third, Gulmohar zygomorphic flower. Fourth, Cassia asymmetric flower. Which of these are correct? Answer will be B. First और जो third है वो correct है. And Datura actinomorphic flower और Gulmohar zygomorphic flower. Which of the following is the correct sequence of PCR? मैंने बताया था इसका ट्रिक. DAE डाई याद रखना है, तो denaturation, annealing and extension. Answer will be A. The following biomolecules are arranged in increasing order of their average percentage composition of the total cellular mass. Which of these orders is correct? Answer will be A. सबसे ज़्यादा प्रोटीन, देन न्यूक्लिक एसिड, देन कार्बोहाइड्रेट, उसके बाद लिपिड, सबसे कम आयंस. Which of the following statements about the human respiratory system are incorrect? First, during swallowing, glottis can be covered by a thin elastic cartilaginous flap called epiglottis to prevent the entry of food into the larynx. Second, यहाँ पे कह रहा है the trachea is a straight tube extending up to the mid-thoracic cavity which divides at the level of the fourth thoracic vertebra into a right and left प्राइमरी ब्रोंकाई. तो ये हमारा गलत होगा. थर्ड यहाँ पे है The trachea, primary, secondary, and tertiary bronchi and initial bronchioles are supported by incomplete cartilaginous rings made up of hyaline cartilage. ये हमारा जो है सही होगा. 4 यहाँ पे कर रहा है. The respiratory part transports the atmospheric air to that alveoli, clears it from foreign particles, humidifies and also brings the air to body temperature. ये हमारा जो है वो गलत है, यानी सेकेंड और फोर्थ जो है वो गलत है. ओके, इनकरेक्ट. ये जो क्वेश्चन अब रिपीट कर चुका है पहले मॉक टेस्ट में, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन अब रिपीट ही हो रहे हैं. While recording ECG, the electrical lead is not attached to the answer will be C, right ankle. ECG is the electrocardiogram, that is a graph that represents the heart activity. This is recorded by a machine known as electrocardiograph. This is recorded using six chest leads and three limb leads. There is a valve present at the junction of answer will be C, ilium and cecum, ileocecal valve. Henel's loop were absent from mammalian nephron. Which one of the following is to be expected? Answer will be D. The urine will be more dilute. Match the column 1, 2 and 3 and choose the correct combination from the options given. Okay. तो ए का होगा 2 यानी कि टॉल एंड सिलेंडर सेल का होगा कॉलुमनर इपिथेलियम, और एम यानी लाइनिंग ऑफ इंटेस्टाइन. बी का 3 यानी कि फ्लैजिलेटेड फ्लैटेंड सेल्स विथ इरेगुलर बाउंड्री का होगा 3 यानी स्क्वैमस इपिथेलियम, और उसका एन होगा यानी कि जो साइट है वॉल ऑफ ब्लड वेसल्स. सी का 4 यानी सिलिया ऑन दियर फ्री सरफेस का होगा 4 यानी सिलेटेड इपिथेलियम, और उसका जो साइड होगा वो की होगा यानी ब्रोंकियोल्स. और डी का 1 यानी क्यूब लाइक सेल्स का होगा 1 यानी कि वाइडल इपिथेलियम, और उसका साइड जो होगा वो एल होगा यानी ट्यूबुलर पार्ट्स ऑफ नेफ्रॉन्स. ओके. The cells of the mammary gland that secrete and store milk are called, answer will be A, alveoli. Which of the following antibody present in colostrum and provide passive immunity to the infant? Answer will be C, IgA only. Which of the following groups of three animals each are correctly matched with their characteristic morphological feature? Answer will be B. Animals में स्कॉर्पियन, स्पाइडर और कॉकरोच होंगे, मॉर्फोलॉजिकल फीचर में होंगे वेंट्रल सॉलिड सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of the human cornea? Answer will be C. Blood circulation is absent in the cornea. Estrogen and testosterone are steroid hormones which most likely bind to. Answer will be A. Membrane ion channels. Which of the following can be categorized as an age-related disorder? Answer will be D. Osteoporosis. Which of the following is used as an emergency contraceptive? Answer will be D. All of these. And administration of progesterone, estrogen combination or IUDs. The following organic compound in living tissue is. Answer will be C. Lipid. The solubility of oxygen is. Answer will be B. 20 to 25 times lower than carbon dioxide. Congestion of the lungs is one of the main symptoms of. Answer will be C. Heart failure. The muscularis layer of alimentary canal has. Answer A. Inner circular and outer longitudinal muscles. Which of the following statements are correct? First, amino acids are organic compounds containing an amino group and an acidic group as substituent on the same carbon, that is the alpha carbon. Second, primary metabolites have identifiable functions and uh, play known roles in normal physiological processes. Third, ribulose biphosphate carboxylase oxygenase Rubisco is the most abundant protein in the होल ऑफ द बायोस्फेयर। और 4 यहाँ पे है starch forms helical primary structures and it can hold I2 molecules in the helical portion। आंसर विल बी डी। 1 2 एंड 3 जो है वो यहाँ पे करेक्ट है, बाकी 4 जो है वो इनकरेक्ट है। रिफर, लास्ट क्वेश्चन है बायो का। रिफर टू द इवेंट्स गिवन बिलो एंड अरेंज देम इन द करेक्ट क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर। ओके, तो सबसे पहले बी होगा, यानी कि first cellular forms of life, then A, invertebrates formed and active, then C, existence of seaweeds and few plants, उसके बाद D यानी appearance of reptiles on earth, और उसके बाद लास्ट में E होगा appearance of shrew like mammals। ओके, तो ये सारे थे हमारे बायो क्वेश्चंस। वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, जो नए व्यूअर्स से प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना, क्योंकि ऐसे सारे वीडियो आते रहेंगे। केमिस्ट्री में देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। Which of the following substance acts as collector in froth flotation method? Answer will be D. Sodium ethyl xanthate। Number of waves produced by the complete revolution of electron in nth orbit is? Answer will be A. N. The state of hybridization of central atoms in dimer of BH3 and BH2. Answer will be B. sp3 and sp2. The equilibrium constant for the disproportionation of HgCl2 into HgCl plus and HgCl3 minus is given. HgCl plus Cl minus gives HgCl2, K1 equal to 3 into 10 to the power 6, and HgCl2 plus Cl minus gives HgCl3 minus K2 equal to 9.0. Answer will be D, 3 into 10 to the power minus 6. Al3 plus aqueous plus 3 electron gives Al solid. E naught equal to minus 1.66 volt. Cu2 plus aqueous plus 2 electron gives Cu solid. E naught equal to plus 0.34 volt. What voltage is produced under standard conditions by combining the half reaction with these standard electrode potentials? Answer will be B, 2.00 volt. Among the following compounds, the strongest base is? Answer will be B, NH2, C, double bond NH, NH2. If 1 liter of gas A at 600 torr and 500 ml of gas B at 1000 torr are placed in 2-liter flask, the final pressure will be? Answer will be B, 550 torr. The compound which on reductive ozonolysis gives 1 mole of O double bond CH single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH double bond O each. Answer will be C, cyclopentane. Cyclopentane. Okay. Which of the following is a pseudo halide? Answer will be C, Cn minus cyanide. In a solid AB having the NaCl structure, A atoms occupy the corners of the cubic unit cell. If all the face-centered atoms along one of the axes are removed, then the resultant stoichiometry of the solid is? Answer will be D, A3B4. Compound which on heating produces paramagnetic acidic gas. Answer will be A, MgNO3 whole twice. In the given reaction, X will be? Answer will be D, HCHO oblique OH minus. Magnesium is burnt in the atmosphere of dinitrogen. The ash so produced is treated with water. The final products are? Answer will be C, MgOH whole twice plus NH3. Acetic acid undergoes dimerization when dissolved in benzene. Molecular mass of acetic acid is found 120. Which among the following relation is correct? D, theoretical vapor density, or a small d, observed vapor density. Answer will be C, alpha equal to 2 into a small d minus capital D by a small d. Which equilibrium can be described as an acid-base reaction using the Lewis acid-base definition but not using Bronsted-Lowry definition? Answer will be C, 4NH3 plus CuH2O whole 4 2 plus gives reversibly CuNH3 whole 4 2 plus 4H2O. Which of the following graph is correct representation between atomic number Z and magnetic moment of d block elements outer electronic configuration n-1 dx ns1 or 3? Answer will be D. The solution of which of the following will be non-conducting? Answer will be C. Product of the given reaction CH3CH2 CH double bond CH3 SiO2 will be, answer will be A, CH3 CHOH CH double bond CH2. If an endothermic reaction is non-spontaneous at a freezing point of water becomes feasible at its boiling point, then answer will be B. Delta H and delta S both are positive. 2Ag plus aqueous plus Cu solid gives Cu2 plus aqueous plus 2Ag solid. The standard potential E naught for this reaction is 0.46 volt. Which change will increase the potential the most? Answer will be A. Doubling the Ag plus. Which of the following salt on heating with conc H2SO4 gives violet vapors? Answer will be A. Iodide salt. Which of the following electronic configuration have spin multiplicity equal to 0? Answer will be C. P colored solution plus BaCl2 gives Q white residue plus R colored solution. The salt P in the above reaction is. Answer will be C, CuSO4. Which of the following graphs represents the behavior of ideal binary liquid mixture? Answer will be A. Plot of 1 by P total against Ya is linear. Arrange these compounds in a decreasing order of reactivity for the nucleophilic addition reaction. A. First यहाँ पे acid chloride, second aldehyde, third ketone, four anhydride. Select the correct answer from the given quotes given below. Okay, तो सबसे ज़्यादा 1 होगा यानी एसिड क्लोराइड, देन 4 यानी एनहाइड्राइड, देन 2 एल्डिहाइड, उसके बाद लास्ट में होगा कीटोन. In the given reaction CH3 CH2 COOH in presence of AgNO3 Br2 and heat X will be. Answer will be A. Ethyl bromide. For vaporization of water at 1 atmospheric pressure, the values of delta H and delta S are 40.63 kJ per mole and 108.8 joule per Kelvin per mole respectively. The temperature when Gibbs energy change delta G for this transformation will be 0 each. Answer will be D. 373.4 Kelvin. Which among the given compounds will give thermal elimination? Answer will be C. CH3 CH2 CH CH3 CHO CO CH3. In the electrolysis of silver nitrate, the mass of silver deposited is plotted against the charge. Okay, slope of the line gives. Answer will be B. Electrochemical equivalent of silver. When NaCl is added to the reaction mixture of an oil and caustic soda, the soap is thrown out because. Answer will be D. The solubility product of the soap is exceeded due to the increased concentration of Na plus ions. Reactivity of HCHO with the following Grignard reagent in the decreasing order is. Answer will be D. सबसे ज़्यादा होगा 2 PHCH2 MgBr, then 3 यानी कि MgBr यहाँ पे सिंगल डबल बॉन्ड वाले, और उसके बाद 1 यानी PHMgBr, उसको लास्ट में होगा 4. ठीक है, 2 कार्बन अल्किन ग्रुप और MgBr. The reactivity order of Grignard reagent with CHO is benzyl, allyl, pH, vinyl. Hence, the correct option is 4D. The purine nucleosides C1 of sugar forms glycosidic linkage with which position of purine? Answer will be C 9. Below critical mycelic concentration CMC, answer will be A. Salt behaves as normal electrolyte. The reaction N2O4 gas gives 2NO2 gas is a first order reaction. Which of the following best describes the variation of concentration of N2O4 with time? Answer will be D. In the given reaction CH3CHO, in presence of HCN, CN2 or H3O plus, answer will be answer will be B, lactic acid. In an experiment during the analysis of carbon compound 145 centimeter cube of H2 was collected at 760 mmHg pressure and 27 degrees Celsius temperature. The weight of H2 is nearly. Answer will be B, 12 mg. In sodium nitroprusside, the oxidation number, coordination number, and EAN of iron are respectively. Answer will be B, plus 3, 6, and 35. Allyl chloride on dehalogenation gives. Answer will be B, propylene. A solution which is 10 to power minus 3 m each in Mn2 plus Fe2 plus Zn2 plus and Hg2 plus is treated with 10 to power minus 16 m sulfide ion. If Ksp of Mns, Fes, Zns and Hgs are 10 to power minus 13, 10 to power minus 18, 10 to power minus 24 and 10 to power minus 53 respectively, which one will precipitate first? Answer will be C, Hgs. In which of the properties listed below, hydrogen does not show resemblance with halogens? First, electropositive character. Second, electronegative character. Third, uh, neutral nature of H2 or fourth, atomicity. Answer will be A, first and third, and electropositive character or neutral nature of H2O. The presence of which of the following in drinking water is responsible for mottling of teeth? Answer will be D. Fluorine. The valency of an element whose atomic weight is 12 and sp. Specific heat 0.25 each. Answer will be A. 2. Consider the following reaction. Glucose in presence of reagent gives mannose. The above reaction is known as. Answer will be C. Epimerization. Which of the following conformation of N-butane is chiral? Answer will be C. In the given reaction, OHCH2OH in presence of X, OHCOH X will be. Answer will be B, PdO2. ओके, तो ये सारे थे हमारे केमिस्ट्री क्वेश्चंस. अब आते हैं फिजिक्स में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. When electron jumps from n equal to 4 level to n equal to 1 level, the angular momentum changes by. Answer will be C, 3h by 2 pi. When a hydrogen atom is raised from ground energy level to excited energy level, then answer will be A, potential energy increases and kinetic energy decreases. A body of mass m1 collides elastically with another body of mass m2 at rest. If the velocity of m1 after collision becomes 2 by 3 times its initial velocity, the ratio of their masses is. Answer will be B, 5:1. A particle at rest suddenly disintegrates into two particles of equal masses which start moving. The two fragments will. Answer will be C, move in opposite directions with equal speeds. The figure shows the total acceleration A equal to 32 of a particle moving clockwise in a circle of radius r equal to 1 meter. What are the centripetal acceleration A and speed of the particle at the given instant? Answer will be D, 16 meter per second square and 4 meter per second. A short bar magnet has a magnetic moment of 0.48 joule per Tesla. Find The magnetic field produced by the magnet at a distance of 10 centimeter from the center of the magnet on the axis. Answer will be A 0.96 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. Two unknown resistances are connected in two gaps of a meter bridge. The null point is obtained at 40 centimeter from left end. A 30 ohm resistance is connected in series with the smaller of the two resistances. The null point shifts by 20 centimeter to the right and the value of a smaller resistance in ohm each. Answer will be B24. A long wire is divided into two n parts. Then n parts are connected in series and the other n parts are connected in parallel. Both the combinations are given the same voltage supply. The ratio of heat produced in series to the parallel combination will be, answer will be B 1 is to n square. A charge q is placed at the center of the line joining two equal point charges, each equal to q. The system of three charges will be in equilibrium if q is equal to. Answer will be D minus q by 4. 2 point charges q and minus q are at positions 0, 0 d and 0, 0 minus d respectively. What is the electric field at A 0, 0? Answer will be C minus 2qd by 4 pi epsilon naught d square plus a square 3 by 2 k cap. The value of inductance L for which the current is maximum in a series LC or AC circuit with C equal to 10 microfarad and omega equal to 1000 per second is, answer will be D 100 millihenry. Some magnetic flux is changed from a coil of resistance 10 ohm. As a result, an induced current is developed in it, which varies with time as shown in the diagram. The magnitude of change in flux through the coil in Webers is, answer will be A 2 Weber. For satellite, escape velocity is 11 km per second. If the satellite is launched at an angle of 60 degree with the vertical, then escape velocity will be, answer will be A 11 km per second. Four particles of equal mass capital M move along a circle of radius r under the action of their mutual gravitational attraction. The speed of each particle is, answer will be D under root gm by r 2 root 2 plus 1 by 4. Four rods of the same material with different radii r and l, length l, are used to connect with connect to heat reservoirs at different temperature. Which one will conduct most heat? Answer will be D. R equal to 2 centimeter and L equal to L by 2 meter. The relation between efficiency eta of a heat engine and the coefficient of performance alpha of a refrigerator is, answer will be B eta equal to 1 by 1 plus alpha. During the adiabatic expansion of 2 mole of an ideal gas, the increase in internal energy was found to be equal to minus 200 joule. The work done by the gas during the process will be equal to, answer will be D 200 joule. Two circular coils X and Y have the equal number of turns and carry equal currents in the same sense and subtend the same solid angle at the point O. If the smaller coil X is midway between O and Y, if we represent the magnetic induction due to bigger coil Y at O as Py and that due to a smaller coil X at O as Bx, then answer will be C Bx By Bx equal to 1 by 2. Two ions having masses in the ratio 1 is to 1 and charge 1 is to 2 are projected into uniform magnetic field perpendicular to the field with speeds in the ratio 2 is to 3. The ratio of the radius of circular path along which the two particles move, each answer will be A 4 is to 3. Two children, Ramesh on uh, path ARB and Sohan on path ASB, travel down slides of identical height h but different shapes as shown in the figure. Assuming that they start down the frictionless slides at the same time with zero initial velocity, which of the following statement is true? Answer will be B. Ramesh reaches the bottom first with a larger average acceleration than Sohan. A boat is sent across a river with a velocity of 8 km per hour. If the resultant velocity of the boat is 10 km per hour, then the velocity of the river is answer will be B 6 km per hour. A 24 kg block resting on a floor has a rope tied to its top. The maximum tension the rope can withstand without breaking is to 310 Newton. The minimum time in which the block can be lifted a vertical distance of 4.6 m by pulling on the rope is answer will be C 1.7 second. The coefficient of a static friction μs between block A of mass 2 kg and the time that and the table as shown in the figure is 0. 0.2. The maximum mass value of block B so that the two blocks do not move is the string and the pulley are assumed to be smooth and massless. G equal to 10 meter per second square. Answer will be A 0.4 kg. EU-23892 has 92 protons and 238 nucleons. It decays by emitting an alpha particle and becomes answer will be B thorium 9234. The half-life of a radioactive substance is 20 minutes. The approximate time interval T2 minus T1 between the time T2 when 2 by 3 of it has decayed and time T1 when 1 by 3 of it had decayed is answer will be B 20 minutes. A meter stick swinging in a vertical plane about a fixed horizontal axis passing through its one end undergoes a small oscillation of frequency f naught. If the bottom half of the stick is cut off, then its new frequency of a small oscillation would become answer will be B under root 2 f naught. The displacement of a particle performing simple harmonic motion is given by x equal to x sine omega t plus 6 cos omega t, where distance is in centimeter and time is in second. The amplitude of motion is answer will be A 10 centimeter. If lambda v, lambda x and lambda m represent the wavelengths of visible light X-rays and microwaves respectively, then answer will be lambda m सबसे ज़्यादा then lambda v सबसे कम होगा lambda x. A photoelectric cell is illuminated by a point source of light 1 meter away. When the source is shifted to 2 meter, then answer will be B. Number of electrons emitted is a quarter of the initial number. The lower end of a glass capillary tube is dipped in water. Water rises to a height of 9 cm. The tube is then broken at a height of 5 cm. The height of the water column and angle of contact will be answer will be A 5 cm and cos inverse 5 by 9. The radii of two soap bubbles are R1 and R2. If in isothermal conditions two meet together in a vacuum, then the radius of the resultant bubble is given by answer will be C R square equal to small r1 square plus a small r2 square. The maximum refractive index of a prism which permits the passage of light through it when the refracting angle of the prism is 90 degree is answer will be B under root 2. A ray of light is incident on a plane mirror at an angle of 30 degree. At a what angle with the horizontal must a plane mirror be placed so that the reflected ray becomes vertically upwards? Answer will be C 30 degree. A rod PQ of mass capital M and length capital L is hinged at end P. The rod is kept horizontal by a massless string tied to point Q as shown in the figure. When string is cut, the initial angular acceleration of the rod is answer will be a 3g by 2l. A flywheel of the moment of inertia 0.4 kg meter square and radius 0.2 meter is free to rotate about a central axis. If a string is wrapped around it and it is pulled with a force of 10 Newton, then its angular velocity after 4 seconds will be answer will be c 20 per radian per second. What is the conductivity of pure semiconductor sample if electron density 5 into 10 to power 12 centimeter per centimeter cube and hole density 8 into 10 to power 13 per centimeter cube, mu e equal to 2.3 or mu h equal to 0.01? Answer will be b 0. Answer will be 1.968 ohm inverse meter inverse. The circuit gives the output as that of answer will be a and gate. Air is pumped into an automobile tube up to a pressure of 200 kilopascal in the morning. When the air temperature is 22 degrees Celsius during the day, the temperature rises to 42 degrees Celsius and the tube expands by 2%. The pressure of the air in the tube at this temperature will be approximately answer will be B 209 kilopascal. In the relation P equal to alpha by beta e to the power minus alpha z by k theta, P is the pressure, Z is the distance, K is the Boltzmann constant and theta is the temperature. The dimensional formula of beta will be answer will be A m0 L2 T0. In Young's double slit experiment, a mica slab of thickness T and refractive index is introduced in the ray from the first source S1. By how much distance fringage pattern will be displaced? Answer will be B, capital D by small d into mu minus 1 into T. In Young's double slit experiment, one of the slit is wider than another, so that amplitude of the light from one slit is double of that from other slit. If Im be the maximum intensity, the resultant intensity I when they interfere at phase difference phi is given by answer will be D Im by 9 into 1 plus 8 cos square phi by 2. A meter wire of linear mass density of 9.8 gram per meter is stretched with a tension of 10 kg watt between two rigid supports 1 meter apart. The wire passes at its middle point between the poles of a permanent magnet and it vibrates in resonance when carrying an alternating current of frequency n. The frequency n of the alternating source is answer will be a 50 Hz. Consider a wire with density d and stress sigma for the same density. If the stress increases 2 times, the speed of the transverse waves along the wire changes by. Answer will be a under root 2. An, an installation consisting of an electric motor driving a water pump left 75 liters of water per second to a height of 4.7 meter. If the motor consumes a power of 5 kilowatt, then the efficiency of the installation is answer will be B 69%. लास्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा वीडियो का और फिजिक्स का. A particle is projected with a velocity u making an angle theta with the horizontal. The instantaneous power of the gravitational force answer will be A varies linearly with time. ओके, ये सारे थे हमारे फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो क्वेश्चंस. वीडियो को अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना और जो नए व्यूअर्स से प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना, क्योंकि ऐसे ही सारे मॉक टेस्ट के वीडियो आते रहेंगे. और जिन्हें पीडीएफ चाहिए एनडीए मॉक टेस्ट के सारे पीडीएफ वो हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, हैव अ नाइस डे.